How to hide your search on Pinterest so no one know what you are searching about. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to hide your search on Pinterest so no one can know what you are searching about on this app. So let's start. First thing, we go to Pinterest and then you click on your profile here, then go to the corner, those three dots here, and click on them, then go to settings, and after that go to privacy and data, and here you will find search privacy. Hide your profile from search engine. Click here and your privacy has been updated. And yeah, that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for your videos.